Hey guys, Dave is on here. Today we're going to show you how to put some text, any text, inside or center the text inside any object. It's basically the same thing. We're going to use the coincident to do all this. So let's get started. Here's a regular rectangle, 2-point rectangle. We have a center rectangle, the circle, and then we'll do an SVG for last. So let's get over here, go to the sum text here, and let's ignore this height for now, but we're going to find the center. I'm going to draw a line and find the center point, click, go all the way to the other side, click again, then come back, find the center point, click, and just go up to the top. And that's what we're going to do with this guy. Now we're going to highlight this line and this line with the shift key, construction lines. So now we have a point there, okay? Now over here, there is no point, so we're going to do the same thing. Find the midpoint with the line, go across the street, boom, and we're going to come back to another midpoint, come there, and go there. Then we're going to make these guys construction lines. Come on, there we go, construction lines, so we have a point here. So now all we're going to do is take our coincident, we're going to highlight this point here, coincident with this point, and now you see we have the text inside the rectangle there. Now we have a center point over here. We already have the center point over here. Now this text is perfectly aligned in the middle, so we're going to draw another line right down the center. Same thing all the time. Go right across the street, come back, find the midpoint. I'm just dragging the mouse till I see the little triangle there again. And now what I'm going to do is zoom in here and then make sure I select this line and this line, make them construction lines. I have a point here. I already have a point down here, so I can select this, coincident with this. And there we go. Now I got the text centered there. And the same thing with the circle. They're all, as long as it is point to point, because that's what we want is the coincident point. Spider-Man's the same thing. Press a line like this. Go across the street, boom, come back. Where's the center? There it is. Come back, and we're done with that. This is probably the most time-consuming. We're going to select these, make these construction lines. We got a point there, and we're just going to keep doing the same thing over and over. So select this, coincident with him, Mr. Circle, and you see he's perfectly centered. And then the last one here, we'll do an SVG, insert SVG, and let's see, Spider-Man Homecoming. There we go. I'll put him over here for us. That's good. And if you don't like the green, you can always make him blue. Let's go. Come on. Blue. There we go. All right. Now, let's create some text. And Peter Parker. And then I'm going to do that Amazing Spider-Man font. And we do that. Now this one's, we don't know where the center point is, but we're going to take the middle of it. Just draw a line in the middle. Start at the bottom here. Boom. Keep it perfectly straight. There it is. Come down, find the halfway point right there. And just draw a line out like that. And now we're going to make these guys construction lines again. Construction lines. Now we have a point there. Now we go back up to our font. And we're going to do the same thing all over again. A line, go all the way to the end, come back in the middle till you see a triangle, up top. And that's it. Now we can zoom in to make them construction lines again. There, holding down the shift, try to get him in there. Let's see, he looks like a construction line. Yep, he's good. Okay, so we got our point right there. And then we can take our point from him, click on the coincident, and right there at that point. And there you go, perfectly centered in the middle without any guessing, dragging, or anything. Hope this helps. If you like this video, let me know down below in the comments below. And please subscribe and enjoy. Take care, guys.